So guys, as you can see, I have my grass application mobile app right here in my phone. Right, this is the mobile app. See, very sleek, very simple, and this mobile app will help you to be earning 3x, 3 times like how much you should have been earning, right? So let me show you guys how I got it. It's quite simple. You just have to go to your message where you're mining your grass. You have to do this in your phone, right? Go to message browser. Okay, this is my grass. I don't know why is this disconnected. Let me go to my extension. Okay, okay, we are connected back. So now, when you come here, you have to click on store. Okay, you click on store. When you click on store, you see this is grass mobile app. This is also grass desktop. You can also down if you have desktop, you can download in your desktop as well, right? Me, I have this thing both in my desktop and mobile app, so I want to be earning very, very fast. Okay, as you can see what they wrote it boldly here, 3x. So you mine 3 times faster. Okay, so when you click there, you now click on this download. Okay, click on download. It will tell you to enter password. Now this is not the grass password that you use in opening grass. No, there is a code that is required for this. So I'm going to drop some code in the video description. Try those code. If you try those code, if it doesn't work, come back to the group and complain so that I will go and look for more code and give to you guys. Okay, but I will drop some codes now I'll drop it in the video description. Go to the video description and pick up any code and try. In fact, if it doesn't work, try all of them. If it doesn't work, you now tell me in the group that it did not work, so I can look for more code to share, right? So that is it. Once you enter the code, it will start downloading. Sorry, it will start downloading. After downloading, you will see the download notification. I'm sorry, I should have done this while I was doing my own. The notification will come. You just have to install the app. Once you install the app, there is a setup that you need to do. Those things, you need to toggle those things on. Like, it will show you a setup. It will tell you to toggle some things on. So you just have to toggle everything. Everything have to be toggled on, right? Every of those things have to be toggled on. It will be like before the app starts working. Toggle all those things on so that you will get maximum effect, right? So as you can see now, if I should open my notification bar, you see grass icon. Grass icon is right there. Grass icon is right there. That's to tell you that I'm like the thing is actively mining for me, right? So this is how to do it, and this is what to do on grass. Remember to always claim. You see, when you come, I think, is it this referral program now or reward? Let me try referral program. Okay, here, yes, remember there are things to claim here. Okay, you can come and check if there is anything to claim here. You claim it. Okay, you claim it. So this is it about grass. Let's position. Their second airdrop is coming. Let's not miss out, right? Yeah, thank you guys.